Set up my new binder with me.
So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when I'm setting up one of my new binders. I will do this whenever I am collecting a new group or starting a new member. Basically, this allows me to plan out what I'm going to be collecting and how I want it organized. So starting off, I have these wonderful covers made by my friend B. They're amazing. I use these covers basically to separate out the different eras and the different albums so that all the photo cards aren't smashed together. Like this one's for the fan kit photos. Now let's get started with the fun stuff. So this is where I'm a little different than normal people. Most people use labels like where they'll write which photo card they're missing on like a little post-it note and stick it in the sleeve. I'm a visual person, so I like to see which photo cards that I am missing. It just helps me visualize better. So what I do is I take these penny sleeves that I don't like. You'll see that these penny sleeves don't fit well in the binder, so I don't like to use them with my real photo cards. So I'm just making use out of them with our mini photo cards. This is me showing off what kind of sleeves I use, but remember, it is up to personal preference. If you use a different brand, that's completely fine. So what you're gonna see me doing is basically taking the penny sleeve with the tiny photo card and putting it into where it needs to go. This allows me to know where each member is going to go and basically visualize what's going to be happening in my binder. So as you can see here, I'm repeating the process with the next album. And look, I did not like these penny sleeves. They did not fit well. So I am happy that I'm getting at least a use out of them. When I get the real photo card, I'll pull that penny sleeve out and put in the good photo card. I wanted to show you guys also that I do this with more than just the photo cards. I like to plan out everything that I'm collecting. So for X1, I also collect their postcards. So this is me basically planning out how I want the postcards to be laid out. This just allows me to see what my photo card binder is going to look like when it's hopefully completed. It just gives me such satisfaction seeing which ones I'm missing and which ones I'm gonna have. So hopefully this helped you guys figure out how you could set up your photo card binder, and good luck collecting!